Hello and welcome to the Berman Fan TV after San Miguel cools down by the Aces 75-82 in favor of the Aces in game number 3 of the best of 7 finals of the Philippine Cup. Aces now 3-0 after Aces win over San Miguel Berman. JR Reyes have made their good start in the first half with 10 points. However, in the second half, mukhang hindi nagustuhan nitong San Miguel Berman as JR Reyes sent off from the Coliseum court as he finished 13 points. After that, he decided to trash down something, any talks with Coach Leo, I think. But JR Reyes is on the showers right now. So that was a big blow. And now SMB down to 12 men on both in and out of the floor. So kawalan nitong depensa at lalong humina ang improvement itong San Miguel Berman pagdating sa fourth quarter. Kaya it should be their year to win this fight back in the game series. So wala na, disappointment ulit for the third time. Para sa akin, mukhang malabo yata manalo ng Philippine Cup. But I think let's focus on winning the double back-to-back just like last year by winning Commissioners and Governors Cup right now. That's I suggest for in the future. So, hindi maganda yung start sa Philippine Cup pagdating sa finals. Ano bang nangyari? Malabong nangyayari na maglaro si Junmar sa Game 3. Now, focus on Game 4. And they hope na makabalik si Junmar Fajardo possibly in Game 4. Pero according to the reports, baka surely na maglalaro sa Game 4 against Alaska at the PhilSports. So, ang best sa akin will be Cabagnot and Lassiter because he provided them assist to Cabagnot in a tiki-taka out of defense. So, Cabagnot made his 2-point basket to keep them hopes alive, but in the end, we failed. Anyway, let us tell us a comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/TheBeermanFanTV, and we will see who is tough in Game 4 on Sunday. So, we're gonna be a match preview tomorrow morning for the Game 4 finals between SMB and Alaska. I'm Andrew Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shalom. Bye.